Niya si Felipe. Saan kaya tayo makakabili ng tinapay upang makakain ang mga taong ito? Alam niyo po yung kwento ng ng feeding ng 5,000.
At anumang sakuna o anumang bagay, Panginoon, magpalain mo po ang mga batang ito na inunang hanapin ang iyong kaharian at ang iyong katuwiran, ang nakakaroon ng Panginoon na ibubot.
So dahil po tayo gumawa ng kasalanan, nasira po yung relasyon natin sa Diyos.
인간은 스스로 이 관계를 회복할 수가 없었습니다.
At hindi po natin ito kayang ma-recover by our own selves.
Anytime a heart turns from darkness to light, anytime temptation comes and someone stands to fight, anytime somebody lives to serve and not be served, I know God is on the move, on the move. Hallelujah, God is on the move in many mighty ways. God is on the move, on the move. Hallelujah, God is on the move today. Anytime in weakness someone falls upon their knees, or dares to speak the truth that sets men free. Anytime the choice is made to stand upon the word, I know God is on the move, on the move. Hallelujah, God is on the move in many mighty ways. God on the move, hallelujah, God is on the move today. I see a generation standing on the truth in each and every nation. God is on the move. Anytime the gospel stirs a searching soul, and someone says, "Send me, here I go." I know